Hi there, my name is Stefan Sorensen, and I have been an internet marketer for some time now. And during that time, I realized that I couldn't find anywhere on the internet where people who were new to affiliate marketing or not so experienced could go and get some ideas to how to start or improve their online business. And that fact actually gave me the idea to put together a website that would do just that. And as you can see here, my website is very simple. There's nothing to buy. All you actually need to do is to click around on the different offers you see here and pick out those that you feel is the best fit for you. And notice that I said those and not the one. And the reason for that is that the chance is very little that you can ever achieve that level of income that you and your family need if you base your business only on one concept or only on one product. But before you make your choices, I just real quick want to highlight one of the products here on my site, and that is the Pure Leverage. My own business is based on the services from Pure Leverage, and without some of those services, you wouldn't even be able to have a business. So go ahead now and give it a shot. And I wish you the best, and that my website will be a help for you to achieve the goal in life that you deserve.